guys, and welcome back to Mummy Cooks Handmade. Oh dear, we are on cookie number 8. So today we're in a different setup because on the other side of the kitchen I'm cooking my chicken stew, so I ain't got access to that side. It's not a very big kitchen. Today we've got little Miss Airy, so that's who we've got today. So we'll stick little Miss Airy over there on the shelf so she can watch. Today we're going to do big fat chewy chocolate chunk cookies. My daughter said to me, but what about our cookies? I was like, what do you mean? Well, what about our favourite cookies? So what am I meant to do? So my eldest daughter, this is her favourite cookie. So big fat chocolate chip, chocolate chunk, chocolate chip, whatever cookie. You're going to need 250 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of bicarb, half a teaspoon of salt, 170 grams of butter melted, 200 grams of brown sugar, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 325 grams, yes I did say that amount, of either, what do you call them? Oh, chocolate chips, or do what I do and just get great big bars and leave massive chunks, chop them up. The more chocolate in it the better. So you need to preheat your oven to gas mark 3. Just going to stick my butter in to melt as well. Preheat it to gas mark 3 and make sure you've got your trays all lined. First you're going to sift together your dry ingredients, so that's flour, bicarb and salt, and then just set it aside. So in this mixer you're going to put your brown sugar and your caster sugar all in there. We won't you all. I'm half melted, that'll do. So yeah, that's your brown sugar, caster sugar and your butter. I've only half melted mine. It's all good. And you're going to cream these until it's light and fluffy. There, that's a bit better. Sorry about that, rocking and rolling. So now they're like that, turn it up. Right, then you're going to add your tablespoon of vanilla. I did measure that, did you see the spoon? Crack in an egg, make sure there's no shell, and mix well. Right, now I'm going to run this on a low speed as I add in my dry ingredients, which are all in the same bowl. So I'm just going to put it on, but on low. So stop it part of the way through and get a good scrape down. Go for the last bit. Right, I'm going to take this out now. I think what I'm going to do now is swap position, so I'll just pause you a sec. Right guys, we're back. I know I said grease your hands up, but I'm going to at least try using 2 tablespoons. My small cookie scoop, bought 3 of them, absolute blooming rubbish they are, is broke, so don't be tempted to make these too big, and make sure you spread them out. You want that mound in the middle there. Oh, I've got some chocolate on this one, blooming heck. One in the middle. These are like them cookies you get, you know, at supermarket. Like 2 bags of them for, in the bakery section, 2 bags for $1.50 or something. These are super spreaders though, guys. So no more than that, I would say. Okay. Oh, let me move my eggs off there. And how long do I cook them for? 15 to 17 minutes. Okay? Gas 3. Set the timer. I always set it for the first time first, so that'll be 15 minutes. Right, so you don't want them big that way because they'll spread themselves, but a little bit of height on them, so you get that squidgy centre. Don't know about you, but that's the bit I love on them type of cookies. You can freeze these as well, by the way. I like to freeze the batter. Last year I made 2 lots of the batter, rolled them up into like tubes and cling film, and then popped them in the freezer in freezer bags as well. And all I did was chopped a couple of slices off at a time, and they lasted until March. So yeah, here's the second one. So I'm going to pause you now because there's no point in you looking at my worktop, and I'll show you when they come out. Hey guys, so this is the first tray out. You saw how spread out they were, and this is what I mean by super spreaders. So they do come out, can't pick them up, thin cookies, but and squidgy in the centre, but they'll firm up a bit, and you can see all the chocolate inside. Oh, yeah. So this is how they come out. They're never going to come out in perfect circles. They just spread because of all the butter and the brown sugar, but that doesn't make them any less tasty. So I'll keep putting the batches through the oven and bring you back when I'm done. Right guys, so that's the chocolate chip cookies taken out. I told you they were super spreaders. Look at the size of them. Anyway, I did forget to mention that these are American cookies. And the American chocolate chip cookie was first introduced in the 1930s. I thought it was quite interesting. By a woman named Ruth Wakefield. So yes, this is an American cookie. I had to double check. Didn't want someone saying, that's American, not blah blah blah. So, yeah. American chocolate chip cookies. See you tomorrow for the next one, guys. Bye.